Hi Pedro, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Today we're going to start off, I'm going to give you these headphones and you're going to listen to me really carefully. And I'm going to say a series of words for you, but you just have to listen carefully. So why don't you put those on?
Okay.
And then after this, we're going to play a mystery word game. And then we're going to play an idiom game. And if you do really good today, we'll add stickers to your sheets.
Okay.
All right, so just listen to me. All right, cook, gloves, jacket, comb, tissues, van, pencil, shoe, lamp, soda, hat, purse, painting, carpet, car, notebook, jeans, backpack, sailboat, and dollar. All right, good job. Let's go to our next game.
Okay.
All right, we're going to play a mystery word game. I'm going to give you a word and some clues, and you have to try to guess the word I'm thinking of. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm thinking of a word that's like money, and it starts with duh. Can you draw that for me? Awesome. What do you think that word is?
Is it dollar?
Yeah, good job. All right, let's draw a star on your sticker sheet. Good job. Let's go to the next word.
Okay.
All right, let's do our next word. I'm thinking of a word that's like automobile, and it starts with K. Can you draw that for me?
I don't know what to draw.
All right, I can help you. All right, here's the bottom. All right, do you know what that is?
Is it a car?
Yeah, good job. All right, let's go to our next word. All right, I'm thinking of a word that's like clothing, and it starts with a J. Can you try to draw that for me? All right, so what do you think that word is?
Jacket?
No. Let me try to help you.
Okay.
Let's see. Starts with a J.
Pants.
Oh, so close. The word is jeans.
Oh, okay.
Good try, though.
Okay, so for our next activity, we're going to learn about idioms. Do you know what idioms are?
Nope.
Well, idioms are phrases or expressions where all the words in the phrase mean one thing, but if you put them together, they mean something different.
Oh.
So, for example, over the hill is an idiom and doesn't always mean over an actual hill. It can also mean that someone's really old.
Oh.
So, in this activity, I will tell you an idiom, I'll read you a short story, and I'll give you 3 choices. And I want you to pick the choice that you think fits the idiom.
Okay.
So, the first idiom is kick up our heels. John made the football team. He was so happy and excited. He wanted to kick up his heels. Does this mean that he wanted to celebrate, that he kicked his feet in the air, or that he was upset?
I think it's the first one. He wanted to celebrate and he was excited.
Yep, that's right. Good job. Okay, so now I want you to think about an experience that you've had where you want to kick up your heels. So, like, for example, one time I played basketball and I made it in the hoop and I was so excited that I wanted to kick up my heels. Can you think of a time where you wanted to kick up your heels?
Yeah. One time I was at an arcade and there was a really big prize and I won it and I was so excited I kicked up my heels.
That's awesome. So
Yeah.
good. Okay, Pedro, since you did so well on that one, let's move on to the next idiom. The idiom is shake a leg. So, Sue forgot to set her alarm for the swim meet. Her mom woke her up and said, "We only have 10 minutes to get to the pool, so shake a leg." Does this mean Sue has to hurry, Sue's leg is hurting, or Sue's mom shook her leg?
I think it means Sue's leg is hurting.
Oh, you didn't get it that time. Let me read it again and you can listen to them carefully, okay?
Okay.
Sue forgot to set her alarm for the swim meet. Her mom woke her up and said, "We only have 10 minutes to get to the pool, so shake a leg." Does this mean she has to hurry, or that Sue's mom shook her leg?
I think it means that Sue has to hurry up.
Yep, you're right. Good job. Okay, so let's do another one for shake a leg.
Okay.
Bobby wanted to win the bicycle race. He had trained hard for it all summer, but now he was in fourth place with just 1 mile to go. He told himself that he'd better shake a leg if he wanted to win. Does this mean that Bobby has to slow down, that Bobby has to ride faster, or that Bobby does not want to win?
I think it means Bobby has to slow down.
Not that time. I'll read it again for you though, okay? You can try again.
Okay.
Bobby wanted to win the bicycle race. He had trained hard for it all summer, but now he was in fourth place with just 1 mile to go. He told himself that he'd better shake a leg if he wanted to win. Does this mean that Bobby has to ride faster, or Bobby does not want to win?
Bobby doesn't want to win.
It actually means that Bobby has to ride faster. So now I want you to think of a time where you had to shake a leg. For example, one time I was running late for class and I knew I really had to shake a leg to get there on time. Can you think of a time like that?
One time I had a really big bug on my leg and I shook my leg and I ran.
Oh, okay. That's a good time where you'd have to shake your leg, but this actually means you want to get there faster. Okay, Pedro, let's do another idiom. So this time, the idiom is a fish out of water. Mariah was very excited about the school dance. She wanted to look really cool. She decided to wear her new faded blue jeans and her favorite flannel shirt. When she walked into the gym, all of the girls were wearing party dresses. Mariah felt like a fish out of water. Does this mean Mariah doesn't like to swim, Mariah was not wet, or Mariah felt different from everyone else?
I think Mariah felt different.
Yep, you're right. Good job. Okay, let's go to another story for this
Okay.
fish out of water.
Okay.
Joan was going to sleepaway camp for the first time. She kissed her parents goodbye after checking in. When she walked into her cabin, all the other girls seemed to know each other. They laughed and talked like old friends. Joan felt like a fish out of water. Does this mean Joan felt like she didn't fit in the group? That Joan wanted to go swimming? Or that Joan likes to go fishing at the lake?
I think it means that Joan wanted to go swimming.
No, that's not right. But I'll read it again so you can have another chance.
Okay.
Joan was going to sleepaway camp for the first time. She kissed her parents goodbye after checking in. When she walked into her cabin, all the other girls seemed to know each other. They laughed and talked like old friends. Joan felt like a fish out of water. Does this mean Joan felt like she didn't fit in the group, or that Joan likes to go fishing at the lake?
Oh, I think it means that Joan felt like she didn't fit in the group.
Yep, you're right. Good job. I'll give you a sticker on your chart.
Yay.
Okay, now I want you to think of a time where you felt like a fish out of water. I know for me, I felt like a fish out of water when I wore 2 different colored socks, and everyone looked at me funny.
One time I went to school and my shirt was on the wrong way.
See, we all have those times.
Yeah.
Okay, Pedro, you did a really great job today. I'm proud of you. Let's look at your sticker sheet. It looks like you got 3 stars today. That's awesome. So you only need 7 more, and then you can get a prize out of the prize box.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's go find your mom.
Okay.